and other projects. So henceforth, sir, we are reaching towards that, where all the projects, we would like to incorporate that at least maintenance up to 5 years, free maintenance of each project.
Yeah, your last question.
My last question. Sometimes we get an extension of roads for 2 kilometers. But to reach that 2 kilometer, the trucks carrying the materials for making the roads will have to travel through the existing 7 kilometers. What happens is, when we are not very clear about the load-bearing capacity, to get 2 kilometers of new roads, we are destroying 7 kilometers of the existing roads. So the joy of having new roads at the new 2 kilometers is destroyed by spoiling the existing 7 kilometers. So my question to the government is, it is not only about asking an answer, let us all plan to have good roads for our people. I request the Honorable Minister, the department concerned, and the government to see that I can give you many examples, sir, where new roads of 5 kilometers is being allotted, but in the process of making that, 10 kilometers of the existing is destroyed because of overloading.
So come to your question, please.
So the question remains that I have not received the reply to the load-bearing capacity of the different roads I have mentioned. The question is, what is the load-bearing capacity? I have given time to the minister, at least he can get information from the ministers. What is the load-bearing capacity? I didn't get that answer till now.
Okay, sir. Sir, I require notice for that, sir. I require notice for that.
Sir.
Your supplementary question.
Yes, sir. I think the Honorable Minister seems to beat around the bush, sir. He's not able to provide us the satisfactory reply, sir. So I will come to the question, sir. I know. So my question here, sir, is whether these specifications laid down by the Indian Roads Congress is applicable to roads on the PMGSY only or to state PWD roads also?
All projects, be it PMGSY, be it RIDF, and all the state projects also, sir.
Yes, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would just like to know from the Honourable Minister, sir, that some of the PMGSY road after the end of the annual maintenance cost, annual maintenance contract, after the end of this maintenance contract, who will look after the road, sir? Because some of the road has been badly damaged that was being constructed by PMGSY, under PMGSY schemes. So who will take the responsibility after the end of this maintenance contract?
Sir, after the expiry of the maintenance period, then the state government will take over, sir.
So, Mr. Speaker, sir, if that is the case, then I would like to request the Honourable Minister, sir, that there's 3 PMGSY road in my constituency which is in a very dilapidated condition. That is Yongkwang, Thangran Yongkwang Road, Maiden Yonggunchur Road, Musio Salang Road. The present condition of the road is in a very bad shape, sir. So I would like to request upon the Honourable Minister, sir, to kindly look upon the maintenance of these 3 PMGSY roads, sir.
Point noted, sir.
So now we come to, okay, one.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honourable Minister in charge of PWD roads, I want to know that this Jarak road under my constituency falls under which scheme, sir? Jarak road. Jarak.
Come again, please.
I want to know whether this Jarak road under my constituency falls under which scheme, sir? Whether PMGSY or some other scheme?
Sir, that particular supplementary, I don't have the ready-made reply right now, so I require notice for that, sir.